How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one. As you can see, this is an AI influencer and has real people follow him. As you can see here, we have a lot of videos. So another one, for example, that one, as you can see, over 300k followers. It's followed by real people and powered by AI. It's an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist, and even that real people followed her. So as you can see here, we have a lot of likes, comments, a lot of pictures. So you can create yours too, and you can start earning money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because here we have hygiene. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI character. All you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see, this is use cases, features, resources, company price, and so you can read here a lot of information and you can understand how it works. Here we have, if you click on the get start, so you can sign up. So for the features, you can find a lot of things that has a website. For example, AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized video, streaming avatar, zippers. So it's kind of services that can hygiene.com give, so you can choose the one you want. Here in this video we're gonna explain how we can use the AI avatar, how we can generate our AI character in this website. So if we more scroll down over here, you'll find AI character introducing the page, introducing the website. So this is the script, and if we more scroll down over here, you'll find other AI character explaining a specific topic. For example, the first one, product marketing, then the second one, sales outreach and learning and development, content marketing. So we can find a lot of AI character explaining something. And for the AI avatars, so you can find the various one. You can choose the one you want and then you can start with. So there's a various AI characters you can see. You can choose the one suits your content and then you can start with. So if you want to get started, you can just click on one of these options. It's depending on how you want, it's depending on which you want. So you can click on get started and then you can enter your email, your verification code, and you will sign up by answering for a few questions. Then click on to sign up. It will lead you to the home page. So this is the homepage. As you can see, this is my recent creation because I already have account here. If we scroll down over here, you'll find hygiene learning guide. So you can find AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation. So you can find a lot of videos, a lot of information that can help you to more understand how it works. As you can see here, we have, for example, AI studio. So you can more understand how it works. If you find difficulties on it, the same thing for video avatar, the and AI voice video translation. If we more scroll down over here, you'll find templates. So you can find a lot of templates with the various AI avatar, various topics. So you can choose the one you want. As you can see, this is the AI character introducing the topic. So you can find a lot of ones and that make things more easy and help you to make your template more professional. For the avatar, you can choose the avatar you want. So you can click on video avatar and go to studio avatar. You can find a lot of AI character, and as you can see here we have a lot of AI characters, so you can choose the one you want. For example, let's select that one. As you can see, this is direct insert. This three dot if you want to edit avatar, if you want to get avatar ID. This one if you want to create videos. So we're gonna click here and we're gonna click on the landscape if you want to start on YouTube. As you can see, there's a various options. So this EI character, if you want put it on the left, if you want put it on the right, and if you want put it on the middle too. If you want also determine the size of your EI character, and you can also add an animation if you want it, added effect on enter, effect on leave. So we have here various one, fed, left, right, up, down. And if you want to add scripts too, so you can delete that one and then you can add the script you want. So you can just add it this plus icon, click on this plus icon, and you want to add another script. If you want to add it post section between these two scripts, you can too. So you can make it 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. And you can add it recording too by clicking on get start. And also if you want to upload audio, you can click on it. And if you find some difficulties on writing script, you can click here and type the topic you want, and then you can or GPT script writer will help you to create one. And for the translation too, so you can select the language you want, and then you can or this one help you to translate your script by clicking on apply. And for the voices, we can just go over here and then you'll find the various type of voices. We have here natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and you'll find a lot of languages that you can select one, and then you'll find the one you want. For example, French, as you can see here we have a various one, and also the gender, so you can select which one you want. For example, I already choose the male EI character, so of course the gender of my voice will be male, and the ages too, so you can find the various ages: child, youth, middle age, older. The function, you can adjust the function you want. It depends on how you want your voice. So there's a various option that can help you to make your video more professional and get ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So you can just click on submit, and then you're gonna or your video will be ready to download it and put it on your YouTube channel. So there's a various way you can earn money with it using this video on your YouTube channel. For example, you can start with affiliate marketing through platforms like um, Impact.com offers affiliates a flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So, by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links, or you can just simply create video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So you can just choose the topic you want and then you're gonna start. Just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is two examples that you can start with. There's just example. So there's a various ways to earn money using this AI influencer until you get your YouTube channel monetized. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next